Have you ever wondered what really happens when government agents show up at someone's home? Well, a growing number of disturbing videos are beginning to reveal something many Americans never expected to see. Not only are federal agents knocking on doors, some of them are also disabling home security cameras before anyone inside even knows what's going on. And today, the questions this behavior is raising are shaking the foundation of constitutional rights in the United States. A wave of viral clips is now putting ICE, the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, under intense national scrutiny. The newest video, posted by David Beer of the Cato Institute, shows an ICE agent casually walking up to a private home, reaching toward the homeowner's security camera, and removing it before officers proceed with their operation. Civil liberties experts who reviewed the footage say it isn't just suspicious, it may be outright unconstitutional. One attorney analyzing the viral clip put it bluntly: why would an agent need to take down a home security camera unless they're trying to prevent people from seeing what they're doing? He added that this is exactly the kind of scenario that raises serious Fourth Amendment concerns, which protect Americans from unreasonable searches and seizures. This isn't an isolated case. Back in February 2025, an investigation by Denver's 9 News uncovered footage of federal agents placing tape over a Ring doorbell camera during an immigration raid at an apartment complex. Civil rights attorneys who reviewed that incident called it illegal, deeply troubling, and a blatant violation of constitutional protections. Colorado civil rights attorney Jason Kozlowski broke down exactly why this matters. He said, disabling a private security device is not only suspicious, it may violate both federal and state constitutional rights. Both the United States Constitution and the Colorado Constitution protect everybody from unlawful and unreasonable searches and seizures. That agent is seizing that camera. If there isn't a warrant, the default is that it's not lawful. And under Colorado law, intentionally tampering with someone else's property can even be considered a criminal offense. Inside the apartment raided in Denver, there was a migrant family with young children. And attorneys really stress that a person's immigration status, whether legal or undocumented, does not strip away their constitutional rights. This goes far beyond just arresting people. They believe they have the authority to arrest. This goes to the core of what we allow our government to do. So the big question is, why are these cameras being disabled at all? ICE hasn't given a clear answer. In fact, they've refused to explain the actions seen in these videos. ATF, which was also present during the Denver operation, released a nearly identical statement emphasizing operational security, but didn't address the legality of covering or seizing cameras. Civil rights attorneys say that silence is concerning because the law is pretty clear. Colorado-based attorney Kevin Mayer explained that without a warrant, the government cannot legally access your security footage. But the reverse is equally true. They cannot stop or interfere with recording on private property. Even if officers do have a warrant, that still doesn't give them a blank check. A warrant doesn't give officers the right to do whatever they want. Tampering with cameras is not authorized. It would require a very specific immediate safety threat, and nothing in the footage suggests that. However, what alarms experts the most is that this might not be a one-off problem. It might be turning into a pattern. David Beer warned that we may be witnessing federal agents skirting the law, and that should concern everyone, no matter where they stand politically on immigration. People need to understand the implications. If an agent can disable your property because it inconveniences them, that's a dangerous expansion of government power. If you're abiding by the law, why are you covering up security footage? The message from experts across the political spectrum is the same. This isn't just about immigration. This is about government transparency, constitutional limits, and, honestly, the growing concern that certain agencies feel comfortable operating outside those limits. The harm isn't just that this happened. It's that they can get away with it, and that it will keep happening unless there's accountability. If stories like this matter to you, stories about government power, civil liberties, and the truth behind viral videos, then make sure you stick with us. Hit that like button so more people see what's happening. Share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep, dive breakdowns just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.